This video will detail the installation of the Fishbone Off-Road rear bumper with tire carrier for the 2007 to 2017 JK Wrangler. Step 1. Remove your rear bumper. Step 2. Install your new bumper. Insert the nut plates into your Jeep's frame rails. With the help from a second pair of hands, lift the bumper up to the frame of the Jeep. Using a short 12mm bolt, lock washer, and washer, loosely fasten the bumper brackets to your frame rail. Do not tighten yet, as you may need to adjust the bumper when installing the long 12mm bolts near the hitch. Once all 4 short bolts are loosely in place, install the remaining 4 bolts, lock washers, and flat washers through your rear crossmember and into the rear bumper. Once you've made sure the bumper is level, tighten all bolts. Step 4. Attach your tire carrier. Install your tire carrier by placing it on the bumper spindle. Install the roller bearing and ensure it is seated completely. This may require lifting up and down on the tire carrier to find the correct angle to allow the bearing to seat. Place the large flat washer on top of the bearing, then hand tighten the castle nut on the spindle. Leave this hand tight at this time to check for latch function after the tire is installed. Install your tire carrier stop on the bumper using the supplied M8 hardware. Loosely install the stop. Slowly open your tire carrier until it contacts the rubber on the stop and tighten the bolts so this rubber stop is mostly parallel with the tire carrier. Step 5. Mount your spare tire. Use a tape measure to measure the radius of the tire. Using this number, measure from the top of the bumper up the tire carrier. Place the middle of the spare tire bracket at least one set of mounting holes above the measured number. Attach the spare tire bracket to the tire carrier using the supplied M12 hardware. 4 bolts, 8 washers, and 4 lock nuts. Again, using the tape measure, measure your wheel offset. Use this number to set the depth of the spare tire bracket. Secure the outer bracket using the remaining 2 bolts, 2 washers, and 2 lock washers. Install your spare tire using the supplied lug nuts and a 19mm socket. Step 6. Check latch clearance. With the tire now mounted, the latch should line up with the bumper bracket. If the latch is too high, loosen the castle nut 1 or 2 positions. If the latch is too low, simply tighten the castle nut 1 or 2 positions. Once you're happy with the adjustments, insert and bend the cotter pin to hold the nut in position. Install the cap and secure using the small Allen bolt using a 4mm hex key. Step 7. Mount the supplied D-rings. And you're done. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road rear bumper with tire carrier.
Fishbone Off-Road.